Hi, hello, good morning, friends. So, today we will learn another concept from simple interest. Before that, I welcome you all for Learner's Paradise. Students, sometime in the problem, the rate of interest or the principal or the simple interest will not be mentioned. He will not give either the rate of interest or the simple interest or the principal. Only the time will be given and some of the ends to calculate the amount. So here we have one problem like that. Find the rate of interest at which a sum of money gets doubled in 12 years. So here the rate of interest is not given. We don't know how much the rate of interest. We have to find out that at which a sum of money is also not given, but he has mentioned that sum of money will get doubled in 12 years. So we can say that principal into 2 is equal to amount. So easily we can say that the principal amount and the simple amount are equal now. Simple interest are equal now. Principal as well as simple interest are equal now after 12 years. So we must understand the problem. Without understanding the problem, it is very difficult to find out the solution. So please, first, whenever you solve a mathematical problems or maybe any problems, you have to think over that, read it, study it, understand it. Thereafter only you must find the solution, which will help you to find the solution very easily. So here you have to understand that rate of interest is not given, principal is also not given, simple and interest is also not given, but he has given the hint that the principal is going to become double in 12 years. That means for the 12 years on the principal, the simple interest will be equivalent to the principal. So now let us see what and all the things are given here. Here is mentioning that we have principal. The principal is not given. So we will assume that principal is 100. So when we assume the principal is 100, in 12 years it will become 200. That means the amount is 200 now after 12 years. So amount minus principal is simple interest. So here if the amount is 200 in 12 years and the principal is 100, the simple interest will be 100 only. Now the time is 12 years. The simple interest is 100 amount minus principal, as I already told you that in 12 years the sum will be 200, as we assumed that the principal is 100. So 200 minus 100 is 100, that is simple interest. If these values, if we substitute for the formula, let us substitute the values on the formula. The formula is rate of interest is equal to 100 into interest divided by principal into time. So now let us substitute the values. 100 is 100 into interest is also 100 divided by 100 into 12 years. The principal is also 100, interest is also 100, time is 12 years, and let us simplify this. 100 get cancels. Now we have 100 divided by 12 here, that is 100 divided by 12 we can divide by 4. 425 is a 100, we can divide 4 3 is a 12% per annum. So now we have left out with 25 by 3% per annum. Now this 25 by 3, if we divide or if we simplify, we will get, see here, 25 divided by 3, 3 8 is a 24, the remainder is 1. So 8 1 by 3% per annum we will get. 8 1 by 3% per annum is the rate of interest which will fetch interest equivalent to the principal in 12 years, which will make the sum double in 12 years if we invest the money at 8 1 by 3% per annum rate of interest. Students, hope you all understand this problem. If you like this video, subscribe, press bell button, like, comment and share. Thank you.